Learn English for daily conversation.
Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster?
Where did you learn English?
How did you learn English?
Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills? If yes, then welcome to this new English learning lesson. In this video, you will practice with a 4-part English conversation exercise designed to help you build fluency step by step. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and learn English for daily conversation? Let's get started. Part 1, listening practice. In this section, you will listen to a short English conversation. Pay close attention to how the speakers pronounce words, their intonation, and rhythm. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. Just listen and enjoy. Let's start.
Learning the ropes.
Hey, Mia. How's it going?
Hey, Jake. I'm good, thanks. You?
Pretty good. But I had so much pressure at work yesterday.
Oh, no. What happened?
I had to finish a big report at the last minute. I was learning the ropes at the new job, so it was a bit stressful.
I know that feeling. I was at a loose end all afternoon yesterday. Nothing to do.
Really? What did you end up doing?
I ended up babysitting my little cousin. Not what I planned, but it was fun.
That's good. By the way, do you need a ride home later? I can give you a ride.
That's nice of you. Actually, I need to pick up my brother from soccer practice.
Cool. I can drop you both off if you want.
Thanks. That would help a lot.
No problem. So, want to grab a coffee before we go?
Sure. Let's do it.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.
Part 2, vocabulary. Welcome to Part 2, vocabulary. In this part, you will learn useful English words and phrases that people use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Each word will help you speak more naturally, sound more confident, and understand English better. Remember, learning new words is a big step toward speaking English fluently. You can do it. Let's start learning together.
At the last minute. When you do something just before it's too late or right before the deadline. Example. I finished my homework at the last minute, just before the teacher came to class.
At the last minute, he is spared.
Hate doing things at the last minute.
At the last minute on a room ticket.
I mean, you called my father at the last minute.
The FBI just shows up at the last minute.
Pressure. When you feel stressed because you have too much work, too many problems, or too many people expecting things from you. Example. I have a lot of pressure at work this week. So many projects to finish.
Your dad's under a lot of pressure.
But it's too much pressure!
You think I don't understand pressure, Claire?
Like mine, his life is pressure.
He's under a lot of pressure.
Learning the ropes. When you are new at a job, school, or activity, and you are still learning how things work. Example. It's my first week at my new job. I'm still learning the ropes.
Look, mate, you're still learning the ropes.
It's his first week on the job, so he's still learning the ropes.
I'm just learning the ropes here.
You could say I'm learning the ropes.
Yeah, this one's learning the ropes pretty well.
At a loose end. When you have nothing to do for a short time or you don't know what to do next. Example, I finished my homework and my friends are busy, so I'm at a loose end this evening.
I happen to know you're at a loose end.
I was so at a loose end that The reality probably is that both are at a loose end.
Give someone a ride. When you take someone somewhere in your car, it's another way to say drive someone. Example, my friend missed the bus, so I gave her a ride to school.
Can you give me a ride to the airport?
Can you give me a ride?
Can you give me a ride somewhere?
Can you give me a ride to the bus stop?
I'll give you a ride.
Look, I'm sorry, sir, but we can't give you a ride.
We can give you a ride if you like.
Pick up. To go to a place in your car and collect someone who is waiting. Example, my dad will pick me up after school at 4 o'clock.
I have to go pick up my son Matthew at the station.
I have to pick up my brother.
I have to pick up my son.
I need to pick up my daughter at cottage.
Well, I came here to pick up my daughter.
By the way, we use by the way when we add new information to the conversation. Something we just remembered or want to mention that's a little different from the main topic. Example, I like your jacket. By the way, where did you buy it?
By the way, do we have a case?
By the way, do you know him?
By the way, do you like my car?
By the way, do you mind if I ask you a personal question?
By the way, do you play table tennis?
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Welcome to Part 3. Listen and answer practice. In this part, you will listen to some questions about the conversation we just heard. Try to answer each question in English. If you don't know the answer yet, don't worry. Just listen carefully and learn. You can pause the video or watch again until you understand everything. This exercise will help you think in English, understand conversations better, and respond naturally in daily life. Take your time and remember, every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
Who does Jake meet? He meets Mia. Where are Jake and Mia talking? In front of the coffee shop. Why was Jake under pressure? He had to finish a report. What did Mia end up doing? She babysat her cousin. What does Jake offer Mia? He offers her a ride home. Who does Mia need to pick up? Her brother.
Part 4 Shadowing Practice. Welcome to Part 4 Shadowing Practice. In this section, you will repeat after the speakers to improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. Just listen carefully, then repeat each line with the same speed and melody. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to speak English more fluently. With every repetition, your confidence will grow. Let's begin the shadowing practice.
Learning the ropes.
Hey, Mia. How's it going? Pretty good. But I had so much pressure at work yesterday. I had to finish a big report at the last minute. I was learning the ropes at the new job, so it was a bit stressful. Really? What did you end up doing? That's good. By the way, do you need a ride home later? I can give you a ride. Cool. I can drop you both off if you want. No problem. So, want to grab a coffee before we go?
Learning the ropes.
Hey, Jake. I'm good, thanks. You? Oh no. What happened? I know that feeling. I was at a loose end all afternoon yesterday. Nothing to do. I ended up babysitting my little cousin. Not what I planned, but it was fun. That's nice of you. Actually, I need to pick up my brother from soccer practice. Thanks. That would help a lot. Sure, let's do it.
In this English-speaking practice lesson, you will listen to real conversations, learn new vocabulary, practice speaking, and shadow native speakers, everything you need to improve your English conversation skills step by step.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English for daily conversation, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills every day.